Hey everyone, Techno Manager here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your iPhone Wi-Fi not connecting by following these troubleshooting steps. So let's get started. Very first thing is you're going to pull down the top menu or pull it up and put your phone on airplane mode for about 10 to 15 seconds and then turn it off. And it does a quick network refresh, quick and easy to do. You can also do this by going into your setting and airplane mode on, give it a little bit, and then off as well. Now, moving on to the next troubleshooting is on the actual Wi-Fi. So you can click on Wi-Fi and then first toggle Wi-Fi off, give it a little bit, and then toggle it back on and see if it connects. Now, if it doesn't connect or it's trying to connect, maybe in a previously connected one, you might see an eye icon. You can click on it and then go down and then look for basically an option that will say basically forget this network. So it might be up top or the bottom. Just go ahead and forget it. And from there on, turn it off, turn it back on, and then look for your network and try to connect now. Now, if it's still not connecting, the next thing you're going to go ahead and do is do this update. You're going to quickly press and release volume up, volume down, and then hold down this side button until the screen goes completely black and the Apple logo appears. So I'll do volume up, volume down, and I hold down this side button just like this, and you're going to wait until the screen goes completely black before we let go of that side button. So we're going to wait, and as you can see, you're in completely black, and then once you see the Apple logo, we let go. And again, I'll keep in mind, all you did was quickly press and release volume up, volume down, and then you're holding down this side button until the screen goes completely black. This shuts down the phone and the software and then turns it back on and reloads that code just to make sure it's not a software glitch preventing your iPhone from connecting. Now, if you're still having the issue, the next thing to do is go ahead and make sure that you're connected to a data. If you're connected to a data, you're going to try to update the phone or use a computer to update the phone. So in your setting, go to General, Software Update, and look for Update. Here it says I can't update because I'm on Wi-Fi only and there's no cellular data. But if you have cellular data, you should be able to update it on your computer. Now, let's say you couldn't do the update or you did the update and it's still not working. Next thing you need to do is go into Setting, go to General, and then you're going to want to go down to Transfer Reset iPhone. Click on Reset, and you're going to do a network setting reset. Enter your device PIN or passcode, and once you do that, you're going to do a network setting reset, which will reset the network settings. It will not delete any of your data, so very important step to do if you're still having the issue. Then hopefully after doing all of this step, your Wi-Fi can connect, and if it doesn't connect, it may not be your phone that's the issue, and it may be actually the router or the modem. So what you want to do is go ahead and unplug your router or the modem for about 30 seconds and then plug it back in and then try connecting to it. And after that, it should work. And I hope this video was helpful, so please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks, and thanks for watching.